stranger, roaming looking mad at me. UFO, we the guardians of the galaxy. Oh my God, UFO, what's up, bro? I know you heard of me. I am the Star-Lord. Legendary outlaw, check out the rap sheet. Lords of the galaxy, lasers aiming at me. Weapon charges deadly, my trap was split instead. From the shadows of the universe, where the stars collide and dreams disperse, we descend from beyond the sky, from the shadows of the universe. Ain't nothing like me except me. Nebula, who is your protector? 400 billion units gonna deal with the collector. I ain't trying to force her, hit him with a scorcher. The stone is mine at last, get ready for the blast.
They call themselves the Guardians of the Galaxy. What a bunch of UFOs.
Through the fight, spread the light. The globe is what we take it. No fun information, we just like Captain Bacon.
Oh, yeah.
Soldiers, assassins, blasting past limits. We breaking through the stars. Vengeance, yeah, we did it. Things are getting easier. Hit you like a meteor. Reflexes too fast. I'm the hero you can't catch.
From the Big Bang to eternity, it's written in the stars you're meant for me. You can catch my love. 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 Let's light up the sky. In the cosmic glow, you and I can fly.
Boom, it's a dance off. Yeah, take me to your leader. I wanna show him the moon. For the kinds of creatures that'll make you move. Welcome to the mothership, mothership.
Top Gun UFO.